What's up everybody? Welcome back to another Kayotic Motorsports video. Today we are at the shop. We are working on a 2019 Hyundai Veloster N. Currently the only modifications are a Gretty blow-off valve and a 6-element intake. But that is about to change today. We are installing a Boomba short throw shifter bracket, as well as shifter bracket bushings, also from Boomba Racing. So those are the bracket bushings, and we are also doing the shifter cable bushings. As you can see, I already started a little bit, forgot to pick up the camera, but you're with me now, that's what matters. So to start off, we need to take the battery out, the ECU out, and the intake out so that we can get to the shifter cables to put those bushings in. So that is currently where we're at now. And once we get all that out, I'll pick the camera back up. We'll get back with you. All right guys, so we got the shifter bracket on top of the trans. We got the bushings in for that. We got the short shifter bracket in there. We are now trying to get the bottom half that actually like clamps it to the stock bracket in there now. It's very difficult. This has not been a fun experience, and I don't think it's gonna get any better anytime soon. Ty's back here trying to get it in because he got smaller hands than me. It ain't going well for him either. These are Boomba products, and just so you're aware, I had to fix it, I guess. Would you call that fix it, Tyler?
Modification to something that should have been already installed.
Yeah, I had to modify something that should have been done from the factory. They left some stuff not right. So it's fun. We fought with that for a while before I realized what the issue was. We figured it out, got it on. Now we're fighting with the rest of it. This is not fun, just so you guys know. I will pick the camera back up in a few minutes, hopefully a few minutes, when this is all finished up. So this is like 20 seconds after that last clip, and Ty got it. So if y'all could have seen the way this dude was just standing, y'all see this shit? Like, my lanky ass couldn't pull that off.
You got to do what you gotta do to get.
I couldn't fucking, no, ain't no way, not me. But yeah, he got the first one in. That was the hard one. The rest of it should line up. So yeah, I'll be back again in a few minutes. All right, y'all, so that's all put back together. It actually, last time I said it was pretty difficult. It really wasn't that bad once you figured it out. But he says he really likes it. He said it made a huge difference in the length of the throws. It feels good, Ty?
Yeah, feels amazing.
Okay, so that's the main part. We do still have all the bushings that need to go to the cage for the shifter inside the car, which means tearing apart the whole center console. So that's what's up next after we get all this put back together. Yeah, so we're gonna get back on that, and we'll be back in a few.
All right, so we are horrible at recording. We are in the interior now.
Got a lot of stuff done. So we'll just show you what we got done so far. So basically everything from the cup holders, center console, everything's ripped out. And yeah.
What's up, y'all? That's gonna be the end of this one. We just finished everything up on the Veloster. Took it out for a test drive. Everything's really good. Just in summary, what we did today was put some solid Boomba bushings on the shifter cable bracket as well as on the actual shifter bracket, and installed a short throw shifter. Pretty sure he loves it.
I do love it.
Loves
it's very
it.
nice.
We were having a little issue at first with third gear. It was kind of like a little shaky and we couldn't figure out why. And I think partially maybe a braking period on it, and then second, I think he just wasn't used to having to kind of slam it into third with the new setup. But it seems to be all right now, so all is good there. Not a terrible job. So, I mean, he's happy with it. I'm happy with how it went. So that will be the end of this one. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Let us know what you thought. Oh, and Tyler's gonna be editing this video.
I'll be the editor for this one.
It was also all taken on an iPhone.
Yeah.
So let me know what you guys think of that. So yeah, he's gonna edit it. So let us know what you think of his editing skills versus mine. I'm also, I think, gonna have him put together a pretty cool intro for us at some point from all the clips over the past year. So yeah, you got that to look forward to as well. And we got the Veloster here, the Evo here, and of course, my baby, the GSX here. This thing actually made the trip out to the shop. It's about a 35-minute drive. Did great. So I'm happy about that. That's gonna be a little update on that one for now. There will be more coming on this one, of course. You'll probably see the Veloster a lot too. He's got a lot planned. And yeah, he likes the work we do. So yeah, so thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Say bye, guys.